Good morning, good morning. It's kind of cool. I didn't even realize you can change exposure. So right now it's selected automatically. I don't even know how I did it. Oh, there we go. So I can lock it in. So I can lock it in on the screen, and so it's not all super bright and whatnot. You can't see truck as much, but you can see the driving, which is pretty cool. Let's fill out our paper logs here. That's what we're doing, and then we're gonna get going. Throw away the trash over there. The sun is blaring. Yesterday I was hoping there would be like a short load from San Antonio to Laredo, but nothing. So it is what it is. There's like one load that picked up today at 7, delivered at noon, which is kind of cutting it short, cutting it close. But I don't think, even though I told them put a low bid, I don't think the bid went through. They're wanting you to haul it for pennies. So I don't know. We're Von Ormy, Texas. And a lot of people like that comment, like whenever I post a video, people will comment like, oh, I was just there, how come I see it? Guys, like I'm very bad with uploads. I do not upload on time. Just so you know, like, so if I upload a video, more than likely that video was recorded like a month ago, at least. Just so you know. Number one, because I'm lazy, and number two, well, there are some weird folks out there. And I don't really like people knowing where I'm at, you know? So it is what it is. Let's see how much we got till our pickup. Hours. Should get there 10. We'll throw away this freaking trash that I racked up yesterday. Hopefully this angle and this exposure thing is good. But yeah, I've been here for some time. I've been posted in this spot for like 20 hours. That's a sweet Peterbilt. And when I stepped out, I realized I forgot to shut off my generator. There we go. At least yesterday I filled up fuel for pretty cheap, you know? So that's a plus. I filled up yesterday for $3.15. There's a TA up in San Antonio. Speed limit 45. Yesterday I replaced this turn signal as well, but the one I got at the dealer is wrong. Chilly this morning, to be honest. There's a lot of potholes. That left lane is where it goes in the interstate. That thing popped out of gear. We just stay on 35 all the way down. It's just tricky when the road's a little wet like this. It's definitely slippery, I know that. Even when I stepped out of the truck when I was walking. When the road has been dry for a long time and then it gets wet, it's like slippery as hell. Especially in an empty trailer, that's a hard time braking. It'd be real nice if they could get me in early, but we'll see. The day don't feel started without an energy drink. I know it's bad, but gotta die from something. At the 75 limit, boy. I slept here before this pilot. I fixed this freaking steering wheel and my horn. My horn doesn't work. But I don't really want to mess with that on the road in case I mess some up. Yeah,
keep on trucking, get to our pickup, catch y'all later.